Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Mastering Python, a comprehensive guide to the best Udemy course. Introduction. Are you eager to enhance your Python skills and become a proficient programmer? Look no further. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the best Python course on Udemy, along with a detailed review and a code example to showcase what you can learn. Let's dive in. Step 1, Research and Selection. Start by searching for Python courses on Udemy and filter your results based on ratings, reviews, and course content. One highly recommended course is Complete Python Bootcamp, Go from Zero to Hero in Python 3 by Jose Portilla. This course is well structured, beginner-friendly, and covers a wide range of Python concepts. Step 2, Course Overview. Begin your Quora post by providing an overview of the selected course. Mention key topics covered, the instructor's credentials, and any unique features that make the course stand out. Highlighting the hands-on projects and practical examples is crucial for a well-rounded learning experience. Step 3, Personal Review. Share your personal experience with the course. Discuss the clarity of instruction, the pace of the lessons, and the effectiveness of the provided resources. Mention any challenges you faced and how the course helped you overcome them. Example: I recently completed the Complete Python Bootcamp on Udemy by Jose Portilla, and I am extremely satisfied with the content. The instructor explains complex topics in a simple and engaging manner, making it easy for beginners to grasp fundamental concepts. The hands-on exercises and real-world projects were particularly helpful in reinforcing what I learned. Step 4, Code Example. Include a code snippet to demonstrate the skills you acquired from the course. This not only adds substance to your review but also provides valuable insights for potential learners. Example. This simple example showcases how the course helped you understand Python's syntax and logic. Feel free to modify the example based on the course content you find most valuable. Conclusion. Wrap up your Quora post by summarizing the key points, emphasizing the course's effectiveness, and encouraging others to embark on their Python journey with the recommended Udemy course. Your insights and code example will undoubtedly help fellow learners make informed decisions. Happy coding! ChatGPT